1998 Oldsmobile model 88. So today I'm going to replace fuel filler neck, and I thought it would be helpful for everybody else to see how I did it, and you can do that at your own risk, but I don't think so it's a big of a deal. I'll show you what I did. So in here there's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a star-shaped screws, and I went to Harbor Freight. I bought this little tiny tool. It's like $4 or $5, and we're using a number T15 to remove those screws. Inside there's a cap in here. I already took it out, so I never thought I'm gonna make a video, but I decided. So there's 3 screws, right? And those are different type of screws. This is what we're using it. 932. You take those screws out, and what's gonna happen, your old piece falls right in. I have to show you how bad is mine. Mine is completely rusted. I mean, I'm putting a gas in and it's leaking on the floor. To make it easier, I'm gonna jack up and I'll take the wheel off. So you can see I jacked that up. Okay, the wheel is off, and here's the beauty of it. Right there. There's 2 worm clamps in there that we have to take it out. I like to show you something. So once I start wiggling out, right, this is what's happened. This is how rusty it was. Well, welcome to upstate New York. Everything rusts crazy. So you can remove the shield in here. There's 2 screws on. I think there's one in here, one here, and it helps you out. I didn't. What I did, I pry it out, and now this old ugly piece just came out. And as you can see, my venting pipe broke off too. That's why I had that P0440 cord or something like that. I check it out, because right now I have a check engine light for that. Alright, so I still have to clean up inside in there, get rid of all the rusty pieces, and I'll slide a new one in. Well, let's compare. New one, old one. See the difference? One shorter than another one because it's rotted out and broke off. I found those 2 pieces. So there's a suggestion. Let's say your piece is rotted out like mine, and you're afraid that if you start taking it apart, you might cause a problem that are further down, right? You want to hold that rubber hose, and then what you can do, you squeeze this guy, right? And when you squeeze it, you're making it smaller. And then it helps you to wiggle out. If it broke off like mine, then you squeeze the end. So then what you do, you squeeze this end, right? One way, another way, and then you get like a needle nose and see if you can wiggle it out. Before I wiggle it out, I use this flat screwdriver to go around to free it up. I spray some rust either. I'm not sure how much it's going to help, but I did. And I went all the way around, and after that I got the needle nose and pulled the stuff out. Because I'm doing that with one hand, it's a little bit hard. So what I did, when you put a new piece in, right, I already have it in, you have to get that off. I didn't take that off. Mine rusted. I took the knot off, and I pried this out, and you can see the pipe goes in. When you pry this out, it helps you out. Why? Because there is a bracket right there. There's a bracket, and that bracket will be on the way, so you have to take that cover off when you put the new one in. But putting it back in, it's really easy. I mean, you just pry it, boom, left hand. Then you put the 3 bolts back in, you align that, you put that back in, Do not tighten the bottom bracket yet because you have to get these aligned. Once you align them, then you align these. So make sure when you slide everything in, right there, right? Don't forget, because sometimes you get overexcited, hey, I got this in, and you forget to put this clamp back on. Tighten that up. Put another screw in here where the bracket is, which is right there. And then finish your job on the top. All right? Thank you.